Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean your repository in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to use some tools, which basically would be using like the Git branch cleaner or the repo cleaner, and basically you will be able to start cleaning your repository using this tool. And in this video we are just going to talk about the BFG repo cleaner, and this one is just going to use some git filter branch that would filter in your repository by like eliminating like some large files of your repository, etc. And basically here those are some usage of this tool. It will remove like crazy files, big files, and also like the sensitive data files. And basically you will be able like to use this uh, tool, which is the BFG, and basically you will be able like to use it by like cloning their own repository. So you will need just to mirror the repository into your local repository, and then you will be able to run the cleaner for you. And you can here like add some options, like to choose which exact files you want to delete, like to be the blobs like bigger than 100 megabytes. And you can like go to the documentation and you will find many other options that you can add. And as you can see, it will also update your own commits, etc. And then you can push them to your local repository so you can delete everything. And those are some examples. And those are like to delete all the files named ID RSA or DSA, which will contain some hashes or some codes or some sensitive data. And you can like add these uh, options like to delete these files, and those are like it will remove all the blobs bigger than 50 megabytes, etc., etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.